No trust fund. No inheritance. No secret stock portfolio. Just me, a budget, a plan, and a relentless hustle. If you're starting from zero, this one's for you. The reality of starting from zero. Back when I was starting out, I didn't have a clue how to grow wealth. I was drowning in bills, living paycheck to paycheck, and wondering if I'd ever get ahead. I didn't grow up wealthy. In fact, everything I know about money, I learned the hard way. I didn't have a family safety net, and I sure didn't have a financial advisor on speed dial. What I did have was a choice: keep struggling, or learn how to build wealth from the ground up. That decision changed my life. And today, I'm giving you the exact roadmap I used to go from broke to building real, sustainable wealth, without privilege, without luck, and without waiting for the perfect moment. Step 1. Master your mindset. Reframing broke as a launchpad. What wealthy people believe that broke people don't yet. Step 2. Build skills before stacking bills. The 80-20 of skill development. Low cost or free ways to upskill fast. Step 3. Set a micro money goal. Why $100 saved is more powerful than a $1,000 dream. Use it to build momentum. Step 4. Monetize anything. Examples of how I made my first dollars from scratch. Highlight gig economy, resale, or local freelancing. Step 5. Automate growth. Invest your first $100, even in micro amounts. Show how compound interest does not discriminate. Closing philosophy. This isn't about luck. The real advantage is starting anyway. If you liked this breakdown, you'll love the rest of the series. We're walking step by step from broke to financial freedom with no fluff, no shortcuts, just the real game plan. These are the exact strategies I used, and you can too. So, if you're serious about changing your money story, hit that subscribe button and check out the next video in the series. Your future self is already thanking you. This content is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research and speak with a licensed financial professional before making investment decisions.